Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to copy a story link from your highlights on Instagram. This is a handy feature that allows you to share your favorite moments with friends or followers. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile and highlights without any issues. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page, where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Once you're on your profile, look under your bio for the section labeled Story Highlights. Here, you will see all the highlights you've created from your past stories. Scroll through to find the specific highlight that contains the story link you want to copy. Now, click on the highlight to open it. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see an option labeled More. Tap on this option to reveal additional settings. After tapping on More, a menu will appear with several choices. Here, you need to select Copy Link. This action will copy the link to that specific story in your highlight directly to your clipboard. Congratulations, you've successfully copied the link. Now you can paste it anywhere you'd like, whether in a message, an email, or even on other social media platforms. Just tap and hold in the text field where you want to share it and select Paste. This feature is not only useful for sharing memories, but also great for directing traffic to specific content you've shared in your stories. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Instagram effectively. Happy sharing!